Hi, my name is Matthew, owner of Auto Shop Media. In the next 60 seconds, I'm going to show you how small 3 and 4 bay auto repair shops are spending less than $300 a month and getting over 150 calls of local customers looking for auto repair services in their area. Right here, you can see in the last month, 1 month time, 157 auto repair calls. Then here's another one. So this is the last month, and that's 180 auto repair calls in the last 30 days. How do we do it? That's organic SEO. Being in the top 3 of the map pack is where 80 to 90% of the leads come from, but it comes from Google. Here's the other one. Our client is in the top 3 of this one as well, and that's how many calls it drives. So if you're interested in bringing in more calls to your business at very low cost, we'd love to show you an exact game plan how it works. Below this video, you can put in your name, your website, and your email address, and what we'll do is put together a short 2-3 minute video how the A to Z steps to get your business in the map pack for your city. It's so detailed you could even do it yourself. Of course, if you want help, we'd love to help you do it, but that's why you have the information and know how to get your shop that many calls every single month. Thanks for taking a minute to check this out. I hope you have a great day.